Let's double check Horizen with my customer carousel, local updates, because global targets you can go and watch the previous video what I posted, I guess 10 days ago, or to find the main bull run plan for Horizen what I posted 2 years ago. All targets still relevant. I don't know why, but now like you can see with Zcash, we have a trend on the privacy tokens. The good news was for Horizen when the Binance removed this token from the monitoring tag list. It was a pretty good move, and maybe they knew something even a year or two before the trend. That's why they removed the token, but they delisted the Monero. All right, but Monero pumped and performed anyway, pretty good one even after the Binance delisting. So I don't want to repeat again the global targets, so let's focus only on the zones where to buy back Horizen if we will drop again. So this is one global FIB. So the range like 1730, 548, it's a global accumulation zone. So the next trouble area for Horizen is going to be the, I guess, high of December 74. It's $40.94. So around $50 will be like a magnet for Horizen. From current prices, it's not a big deal. It's only 220% gains. So I can't say it's something so special, for the Horizen. If the Horizen will perform like Zcash, or I don't know, like 25% of that price movement what we already saw on Zcash. Now let's take a look. Now let's double check here. Take profit indicator on the weekly time frame. We bounce from the buy line. So buy line now it's $7.38. This one. If you wanna buy with better discount, of course you can wait the buy line again, but maybe we will not see the drop to that levels again. Daily time frame, guys, here was a weak candle on the Donald Trump tariffs. We pump it and not come back and not close even the 30% or 50% of the week. That's why if we reject now at exit line on the daily, the road will be by end of November again to $7. So it's around 50% drop, one take. Second one, it's a little bit higher on the 12-hour time frame. Buy line at this current moment, $9.05. If we count here the daily week, we can see correction to 0.5. So it's $9.03. It's, yes, here, magic. So daily time frame, we count the week of the Donald Trump tariffs. Now it's 0.5 level by FIB correction for ZEN. It will be the buy line on 12 time frame. So just in case, you can add alert, even like this one. Take profit, buy line, and wait. If you feel okay, accumulate Horizen at 1538, you can buy it, But sometimes, guys, you better skip the token than just be in losses like temporary losses like 41%. So just in case, I don't want to say, I don't want to scare you. So we will drop 100% to that levels. We can't know the future, but you can build a plan. And if you're not sure to buy or skip or sell, just do nothing. Sometimes to not take an action, it's also an action. So this is zone of interest for Horizen. What we can see something like this one by end of this month. So just in case, let's double check the direction. ADZ I can show you because it's a global ticker, not from some exchange. 12 time frame, no accumulation, guys. 4-hour time frame, here was accumulation. We bounced it intraday. Now we closed to the top. That's why I'll be not surprised if we'll see something like this one. $9.03 more than real to see. Take profit line 2094, exit line 2351. I'm more about this price movement for Horizen. The direction I showed you, market move, guys. This one, this is a local A3 on 4-hour time frame, 12 time frame. This was A3 time to fix some profit. We drop it to disbelief, hopium positive, daily, still like a hopium, positive optimism. Globally, yes, of course, it's we're still early, so it's just optimism. So globally, I guess if we will see the main altcoin season with a BTC dominance on the 55% at least, the Horizen will perform pretty good one. Trade on, sell signal was here, November, 2nd November, drop, 1, 2, buy back, no main signal to buy again, 12 time frame, sell, buyback, no main signal to buy, 4 hours time frame, sell, buyback, no take profit. Let's add alert for take profit here. No, come on, trade on, take profit from this sell, from sell signal on 4 hour time frame. I wish to see, I guess around here. In the next few days, I guess we will see that take profit signal. And the take profit, I showed the money power, guys. Here, let's check 12 time frame. Money outflow at the top, some money inflow, bounce. Now no new money inflow. Daily no money inflow, no the variance is nothing. Weekly time frame kind of weird way at the top. It was a 2 RSI bullish divergence, 2 MACD bullish divergence. Now nothing. You can track some latest updates, but basically there is nothing special, guys. So just be ready. Today is a Monday. By end of this week, just be ready to see the Horizen in the worst case scenario under $10. So just in case, guys. And maybe in December in the Santa Rally we will see some performance, guys. Of course, it's not financial advice, not recommendation. I'm about sometimes better skip the token if you're not sure, if you don't see your setup, don't see your zone of interest. If it's okay for you to accumulate at 1536, you can accumulate it. We'll come back to the ZEN chart later, I guess, by end of the November, and double check how it's playing out or not. If you'd like to trade as my customer, like I said, we showed on this video, just write me a DM. Don't forget, join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.